In a bowl, combine 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons white sugar. Combine these ingredients. Combine 2 cups buttermilk, 2 large eggs lightly beaten, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix together until completely combined. Let batter rest for 10 minutes. Pour the batter by 1/4 cupfuls onto greased hot griddle. Sprinkle each pancake with 2 teaspoons chocolate chips. Flip pancakes when bubbles begin to appear. Cook until other side is golden brown. Serve with butter and syrup. And there you have it, chocolate chip buttermilk pancakes.